Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Mecca coming at you here. It's Monday. It's time for the weekly update. Let's go on. Head outside. Make sure I don't lock myself out, because that's never a fun thing to do. Let me grab a seat here. You can tell it is sunny. It is hot. It is sweaty and whoa, uncomfortable. But hey, that's the Mexican lifestyle I chose to live, didn't I? All right. Can we see me? Sun's not too bad. Oh, gotta hold the camera here. Let me just prop my leg up. But hey, how are you all doing? Let me know in the comments. How's your weekend? Happy July 4th coming up to all my Americans, and happy Canada Day to all you Canadians. Hopefully you had a fantastic, safe, and happy holiday. So, but let's dive into the nitty gritty, so to speak. If you don't know me, my name's Emeka. 3 things I do on this channel: show you how to increase your income so you can go and take back your freedom, so you can design your ultimate lifestyle. I'm just doing me so you can do you. So hey, first, big shout outs. 2 of my mentees, 2 of my students I've been working with privately, one-on-one, have both left their job. Marco, this is well overdue, man. Congratulations. I'll probably just do a quick shout-out video to you separate, actually. But congratulations on leaving your job. I know it was, man, it might have been a month ago now, but that was super awesome to see you generating additional streams of revenue on top of your Kindle publishing business now. Super excited to meet you in Cancun, and your wife and your child. And then Jacob just put in his notice at his job today or yesterday, I believe. I think it was this morning, actually. He was sharing his letter of resignation in our little Facebook group. So congratulations to you, Jacob, man. So excited to see you also in Cancun, and to see you grow into the online entrepreneur, whatever you want to call us. But no more commuting, and living that quote unquote laptop lifestyle. So big congrats to those guys. Hey, let's show let's show them some congratulations in the comments below. Please go crazy with that. But let's move on. Let's talk about the business. All right, so get this. Last month, right? And I'll admit it. My publishing, I've been focused on some other things. So I've always been okay with my publishing income, doing around $2,000 a month. My assistant runs it. I say, hey, publish 1 book a month minimum. We don't have to do anything crazy or anything like that. I've always been the bigger picture focused individual, right? But last month we did 1,700. Some of you guys were like, hey, Emeka, what the hell are you doing, man? $1,700, really? I'm like, yeah, okay, that's kind of pathetic. So what I did is sat down with my assistant at the beginning of the month, said, okay, here's what we got to focus on. We're going to focus moving some of these books over here. Let's get some new books out, and I'll dive in and take a look at some things. But of course, he's doing the majority of the work, and he was able to scale up the business. It was like $5,100, $5,200. I got to still add up all the amounts, but over $5,000 I know for sure, with just from the Kindle publishing business alone. So really cool to see him do that. Threw a bonus on his paycheck this morning, for helping increase the business's income. So that's super exciting. And I was on a coaching call this morning with one of my students, and he was asking, hey, if I have to do one thing to really scale up my business and increase the income, what's that thing that I have to do? And I told him, just get down and dirty and dive into it and know absolutely everything about your business. Figure out your daily sales, your weekly sales, what books are pulling, what books aren't. Just know everything, right? Figure out, hey, when's Amazon putting my book on a promotion? And then when they are, start going heavy on it. And those are the things that I was doing along with my assistant to really scale up our income from $1,700 to over $5,000, in 30 days. So, yeah, so I do that. Of course, I'm sure there's more things if I take some time to think about it, but honestly, it's work. It's just diving in, knowing where your business is at, and doing everything you possibly can to increase it. So yeah, but so that's been really cool. And this is not going to be a full monthly update, but we did do over $20,000 last month. And to think about it, there has been years where like it was only a few years ago where like we made 20 grand. Like, you know, I'm gonna look up some of our old, what do you call them, T4s or notice of assessments, and say how much you earn from the government, because I'm sure I've had a $26,000 a year, almost positive. And it looks like we did somewhere around that this month or last month. So definitely pretty cool. But I'll do a full video breakdown and everything once my assistants get me back my numbers and I sit down and go through it all properly. But being able to count, like, you know, just from a few different sources, they've added up to like 20 grand so far. So me and my wife were still a little like shocked, you know, with that. But hey, you know what that means for July and August? I just got to hit it harder and faster than ever before, because we got to crack that 30K a month before the Cancun Mastermind trip. On that note, website's almost built. That'll be up. I'm going to work on it tonight. Hopefully it'll be up tomorrow, but don't hold your breath on that. But when it is, I'll do a video to officially invite everyone who's been outside of the blueprint. Yes, you'll be able to join us in Cancun for this mastermind. It's going to be epic. Change your business, change your life. It's Cancun, Mexican, beach, sun, all-inclusive, me. Like, it's going to be a good time. So more info on that in a video coming up in the next little bit. What else has been going on that's been really exciting and really cool? Oh man, there we go. The sun's gone behind a cloud. You know, the online business, I've talked about this before. It could be boring, or not boring, but, you know, lonely at times. And if you haven't connected with a couple people inside the Facebook group, or, you know, like-minded people who are doing what you're doing, aside from like reaching out to somebody who's getting better results than you, finding a group of people and working with them, like, you know, just have a weekly call, or just set up a Facebook message, like a group message or text thing, and just connect with them on a daily basis. That right there can do so much for your business, because you can compare, like, you know, in my mastermind, you know, I'll send them a link to my books, and, you know, what do you think of this book? You know, this is the description I got back from my description writing dude. What do you think of that? And you'll be able to bounce ideas and things off each other to help each other get better and better. Is one of the most powerful things that you can do when you're running a business by yourself. Because then you're doing it with other people, and you're going through things that they're going through, and they're going through things that you're going through. So it's just a great way to go through it with others. So hopefully that came across the right way. What else has been going on? You know what? We got great time with the family this weekend. Daughter had 2 recitals for music lessons for her jazz for her violin thing, and she actually starts 2 weeks every day. Right now, she started. Today was day 1. Mariana and her mother took her. I think I take her sometime this week, but I'm trying to catch up on all the work I've been missing since having the baby. But yeah, so that's exciting. And she did a jazz and a ballet recital as well. So she's been busy. We've been busy. It's been all good. It's been all good, though. What else has been going on? What else has been going on? Honestly, it's pretty much it. Just getting back into the groove of things. Just a lot of catch-up work right now. But yeah, sorry, I'm rambling. So you know what? I'm just going to end it here. More videos are coming. I'm going to be uploading a video with the twins talking all about ACX, how to make over $10,000 a month with ACX. That's going to be coming up hopefully tomorrow on the channel. So make sure you take a look at that. Other than that, everybody, until we speak again, I'm at Mecca. Go are you. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. Find me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. And yeah, until we connect again. Speak to y'all soon. Take care.